Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to hide your Facebook friend list. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Hiding your friend list on Facebook is a simple process that can be done on both your computer and mobile device, and here I am going to show you using the mobile app. Hiding your friend list on Facebook offers increased privacy and control over your online presence. After hiding, it makes it harder for hackers and other malicious actors to gather information about your social network. When you choose to hide your friend list on Facebook, only those within the selected audience can see your friends list. If you choose Only Me, no one except you see the list of your friends on Facebook. And hiding your friends list makes it harder for others to collect information about your social network. To hide your friend list on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, you can find this menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Here you will see various Facebook settings. Just scroll down until you see the Audience and Visibility section. From here, tap on How people can find and contact you. This screen shows you various settings on how people can find and contact you. Just find out who can see your friends list. Now, tap the drop-down menu next to Who can see your friends list. This might be represented by a small arrow pointing downwards. Carefully review and select the desired audience from the presented choices. Here you will see various options. If you choose Public, everyone on Facebook can see your friends list. If you choose Friends, only your confirmed Facebook friends can see your friends list. If you choose Friends Except, this allows you to choose specific friends who will be excluded from seeing your friends list. If you choose Only Me, only you will be able to see your friends list, making it completely private. I request you to select Only Me to hide your friends list on Facebook for everyone. Once you select, confirm the changes by pressing the back button on mobile. Now, your friend list visibility should be adjusted according to your chosen preference. Remember, these changes take effect immediately. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.